guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing family mail. So if this is something that you're interested in seeing and not gonna thumbs me down, which if you wanna, please do. That just shows me how jealous you are. Anyway, stick around. Okay guys, welcome back. Today we are doing family mail, and today I got some mail from Erica, and look how pretty. Super pretty. Okay, I already took everything out of here and I used it. Okay, so she wrote me this cute little note with these little stickers on it, which is super cute. It says, Jessica, I hope you enjoy your goodies and thank you for being such a sweet friend. Love, Erica. Just super cute. And that is so pretty, like how she did everything. What she sent me was this little set. And it came with blush, a bronzer, and a little eyeshadow palette. And she also sent me the Tarteist Pro Glow in the shade Stunner, which is beautiful. Okay, I have that on, and I also have, I have a little bit of the Amrezy over this just because I love my Amrezy. I actually wore this today. The only thing I didn't wear today because I wanted a little pop of color was the eyeshadow palette. But isn't this like so pretty? Hopefully you can see it there. So pretty, and like it has these little shoes and a dress and lips and like a they call it bustier. That's what they're called. And then there's the blush, in which I am wearing today. It's really nice. I really like this color. And then the bronzer, which I do have a little bit of this on today. I think this is like super nice. This has like a vanilla-y smell to it. I think they all do. Yeah, it does. All of them. But I thought that was like so sweet of her. Like, I really appreciate you, Erica. Thank you so much. That was super sweet for you to think of me. And I absolutely like love this. Like, it is like nice for like a base color, which is like super cool. But I love everything. And it was so sweet of you to like send me something. You really didn't have to, but I very much appreciate it. Sorry, it's so hot in here. I'm like so thirsty. I'm gonna have all of Erica's information, the links to her channel down below. She does all kinds of different things, makeup looks, she does swatches, she does reviews, like everything. Like, she's really sweet. She's awesome. If you don't know her, you're really missing out. You really are. So definitely check her out. She will be down below, and she will be over here in my cards right there. Yes, definitely check her out. And really, that's all I have for today. Yeah, that's everything. Again, thank you so much, Erica. Like, I absolutely love everything. It really means like so much to me that you thought of me and sent me something. Like, I really appreciate it. I'm definitely gonna be hanging your card up with all the other cards up there. But yes, please check her out, and I will see you guys next time.